In this video, let's take a look at the way that you fix the Facebook cannot upload photos. If you're trying to upload pictures to your Facebook and having issues with it, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out to solve this issue. Now, the first thing that you can straight away do is just head over to your gallery and pick the image that you're trying to upload and then crop it slightly. What this does is builds a fresh structure that will bypass the hidden compression glitch. So if this was the issue for you, try doing this first step and try to see if your issue is now fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, the second thing that you can try out is try to clear the app cache of the Facebook application. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon, head over storage, and you'd be able to see the option called clear data being displayed. Just tap on the clear cache option and try to see if the issue is now fixed. If the issue still persists, the other thing that you can also try out is try to use your desktop or your laptop. Try using the web version of Facebook basically. So search for facebook.com on your desktop or your laptop and try to see if you can now log in. If you still cannot log in using the web version as well, this is likely due to temporary blocks. So if you have tried uploading files multiple times, this may have caused your account or the uploads to be temporarily blocked. So in this situation, you'll need to wait for the cooldown to expire, which is normally 24 hours. So you can try uploading your picture after 24 hours. So these are the few solutions that you can try out. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.